Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? First of all, I am greeting you. My name is Teacher Trasins. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga itsinda ry'amagambo akora nk'inshinga. Niba utarakora subscribe, hikande like, share ndetse na comment. Reka duhere kuri to love each other. To love each other. Gukundana. They love each other deeply. They love each other deeply. Barakundana cyane. The siblings love each other unconditionally. The siblings love each other unconditionally. Abavandimwe bakundana ntacyo bashingiyeho, ntacyo bitayeho, nta nyungu bategereje. Dukurikizeho to hate each other. To hate each other, kwangana. They hate each other intensely now. They hate each other intensely now. Ubu barangana cyane. Enemies hate each other openly. Enemies hate each other openly. Abanzi bangana byeruye. Dukurikizeho to hate each other. To help each other. To help each other. Gufashanya. We will help each other. We will help each other. Tuzafashanya. Neighbors should help each other through hard times. Neighbors should help each other through hard times. Abaturanyi bagomba gufashanya mu bihe bigoye cyangwa se mu bihe biruhije. Reka dukurikizeho to respect each other. To respect each other, kubahana. They respect each others. They respect each others, barubahana. Colleagues should respect each other. Colleagues should respect each other. Abantu bigana bagomba kubahana. Colleagues ni abantu bigana cyangwa se abantu bakorana. Dukurikizeho to ignore each other. To ignore each other, kwirengagizanya. They ignore each other in public. They ignore each other in public. Barirengagizanya ku karubanda. The neighbors ignore each other completely. The neighbors ignore each other completely. Abaturanyi barirengagizanya bwite. Dukurikizeho to meet each other. To meet each other, guhura. We meet each other at the conference. We meet each other at the conference. Duhurira mu nama. They meet each other online. They meet each other online. Bahurira ku rubuga nkoranyambaga. Dukurikizeho to know each other. To know each other, kumenyana. Do they know each other well? Do they know each other well? Do they know each other well? Baziranye neza. We have known each other for years. We have known each other for years. Hasize imyaka myinshi tuziranye. We know each other. We know each other. Turaziranye. Dukurikizeho to trust each other. To trust each other, kwizerana. Do they trust each other enough? Do they trust each other enough? Barizerana bihagije. Dukurikizeho to forgive each other. To forgive each other. Kubabarirana. They forgave each other eventually. They forgave each other eventually. Nyuma na nyuma bababariranye. Friends should forgive each other easily. Friends forgive each other easily. Friends forgive each other easily. Inshuti zibabarirana byoroshye. To call each other. To call each other. Guhamagarana. We call each other every weekend. We call each other every weekend. Duhamagarana buri gihe mu mpera z'icyumweru. Duhamagarana mu mpera za buri cyumweru. They call each other by nicknames. They call each other by nicknames. Bahamagarana amazina y'utubyiniro. Dukurikizeho to text each other. To text each other. Kwandikirana. We text each other daily. We text each other daily. Twandikirana buri munsi. They text each other constantly. They text each other constantly. Bandikirana bahozaho, ntibarekeraho. Ntibarekeraho kwandikirana. To visit each other. To visit each other. Gusurana. They visit each other often. They visit each other often. Basurana kenshi. Families visit each other during holidays. Families visit each other during holidays. Imiryango isurana mu gihe cy'ibiruhuko. Dukurikizeho to write each other. To write each other. Kwandikirana. Urugero, kwandikirana amabaruwa, uranyandikira musubiza, nawe unsubize gutyo gutyo. They write each other letters. They write each other letters. Bandikirana amabaruwa. We write each other poems. We write each other poems. Twandikirana ibisigo. To call each other. To call each other. Guhamagarana. We call each other. Turahamagarana. We called each other on Sunday. We called each other on Sunday. Twahamagaranye ku cyumweru. To look at each other. To look at each other. Kurebana cyangwa se kwitegerezanya. They looked at each other for a long time. They looked at each other for a long time. Barebanye by'akanya kanini. We look at each other every time. We look at each other every time. Turebana buri gihe cyangwa se twitegerezanya buri gihe. Dukurikizeho to smile at each other. To smile at each other. Gusekerana. They smiled at each other every time when they meet. They smiled at each other every time when they meet. Basekeranaga buri uko bahuraga. Friends smile at each other often. Friends smile at each other often. Inshuti zisekerana akenshi cyangwa se kenshi. To talk to it. To talk to each other. To talk to each other. kuvugana hagati y'abantu babiri iyo barimo baravugana baba bari gutokinga each other. Do they talk to each other? Do they talk to each other? Baravugana hagati yabo. We talk to each other daily. We talk to each other daily. Tuvugana buri munsi. To argue with each other. To argue with each other. Gusigana. They argue with each other often. They argue with each other often. Basigana akenshi. The siblings argue with each other daily. The siblings argue with each other daily. Abavandimwe basigana kenshi. To fight with each other. To fight with each other. Kugwana cyangwa se guhangana hagati y'abantu babiri. Couples fight with each other sometimes. Couples fight with each other sometimes. Abashakanye bagwana rimwe na rimwe cyangwa se abakundana. Dukurikizeho to make up with each other. To make up with each other. Kwiyunga n'umuntu mwari mwagiranye intonganya mukiyunga. Urugero, they made up with each other after the fight. They made up with each other after the fight. Biyunze nyuma y'umugwano. Friends make up with each other quickly. Friends make up with each other quickly. Inshuti ziyunga vuba. To break up with each other. To break up with each other. Gutandukana. Couples break up with each other often. Couples break up with each other often. Abakundana batandukana akenshi. To date each other. To date each other. Guteretana. They are dating each other secretly. They are dating each other secretly. Bari guteretana mu ibanga rikomeye cyane. We dated each other in college. We dated each other in college. Twarateretanye ku ishuri. Twarateretanaga ku ishuri. To marry each other. To marry each other. Gushyingiranwa. They will marry each other soon. They will marry each other soon. Bazashyingiranwa vuba. Couples marry each other for love. Couples marry each other for love. Abakundana bashyingiranwa kubw'urukundo. To divorce each other. To divorce each other. Gutandukana hagati y'ababana cyangwa se y'abashakanye. They divorced each other last year. They divorced each other last year. Batandukanye umwaka washize. Couples divorce each other often. Couples divorce each other often. Abakundanye batandukana kenshi cyangwa se abashakanye. Dukurikizeho to compete with each other. To compete with each other. Kuzuzanya. They compete with each other. They compete with each other. baruzuzanya. Siblings compete with each other normally. Siblings compete with each other normally. Abavandimwe baruzuzanya ubusanzwe. To cooperate with each other. To cooperate with each other. Gukorera hamwe. Teams cooperate with each other effectively. Teams cooperate with each other effectively. Amakipe akorera hamwe neza. Effectively ni mu buryo bwiza. To share with each other. To share with each other. Gusangira cyangwa se gusaranganya hagati y'abantu. They shared with each other freely. They shared with each other freely. Basangira nta kiguzi. Friends share with each other happily. Friends share with each other happily. Inshuti zisangira zishimye. To care for each other. To care for each other. Kwitanaho. Ukanyitaho nkakwitaho. They care for each other deeply. They care for each other deeply. Bitanaho cyane. Families care for each other always. Families care for each other always. Imiryango yitanaho buri gihe. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel.